Hi boys and girls. This is my math group B, so we're going to do things a little differently for the rest of the week. I'm going to catch you up to math group A, and then we'll only have one math lesson for the whole 5th grade. So Wednesday you will be doing lesson 86, which is today. Thursday, lesson 87. Friday, lesson 90. We're going to skip 2 lessons. I want you to go look over those 2 lessons, but you don't have to do the work, but look at the explanation of everything and just kind of be familiar with it. It won't be anything that will count against you in a grade, okay? Also, go log into BrainPop, and you can log into Solve Emoji websites because we're going to use those later on next week. All right, so lesson 86, we are going to be multiplying fractions and whole numbers. So here in the book, we have 1/3 of 6 is 2. What they're saying is if I have 6 squares and I cut them into groups of 3, one of those groups of 3 has 2 whole squares in them. So 1/3 of 6 equals 2 squares. Over here, it shows us 1/3 of 2 is 2/3. So they took 2 rectangles, cut each rectangle into thirds. This is 1/3, this is 1/3. Together, we have what? 2/3. So that's what these mean. The math we're doing is we're actually multiplying, because what does of mean? Multiplication. 1/3 of 6 equals 2. 1/3 multiplied by 6 equals 2. So what does that math look like? Well, remember, we have 1/3 times, we're going to have 6 and we're going to write it as a fraction. And any time you have a whole number, when you write it as a fraction, you take the whole number over 1. Every time you have a whole number, you put it over 1, and now you make it a fraction. Now we understand how we multiply fractions. Multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. I have 6 over 3. What is that called? That's right, an improper fraction. So now we're going to simplify the improper fraction. 6 divided by 3 equals 2, which is what we started with to begin. Stop.